Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Polkadot is still in this corrective structure, actually rallied a little bit higher since yesterday, and I'm still tracking primarily here this B wave, similar to what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing and many other coins. I see quite a lot of them in a potential corrective rally actually. I have in this white count, which obviously doesn't need to play out necessarily, but it's the one that I find more likely. I have also only a 3-wave move to the upside. So again, no evidence that a lasting low has formed. 3 waves to the upside indicate typically continuation to the downside, or at least one more leg to the downside. We'll see. It can always turn into something like a diagonal to the upside, right? But that is not so common in a 3rd wave, which would be the bullish perspective here. So I'm predominantly watching for this white B wave to play out, and it's already played out, but it seems like it needs another wave 5, so basically one more high to complete it. The pathway that's suggested means that after a 5-wave move topped here in March, 14th of March that was, and it was at around $11.90. This wave 2 has started. So if we zoom out a little bit, you can actually see the initial 5-wave pattern to the upside. It's not a great one, but it's a diagonal in wave 1. Yeah, if this is the count that's playing out, the white one, then the move down was just the A wave, and we're now in a B wave rally and could then come down in wave C. So zooming in, going to the 1-hour chart, you can actually see here this B wave rally in detail, and you can see that the price has actually reached that $10 mark. You might remember that I highlighted the $10 mark as key level because there was some Fibonacci confluence. First of all, it's a psychological, you could say target or resistance level. Then it is the 1.236 extension level of the A wave. That's a key target for a C wave. And it's the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the move to the downside. So was quite obvious that we would find some resistance there. What I wasn't sure about, is this happening in wave 3 of C or wave 5 of C? And it obviously, or at least presumably, happened in wave 3 of C. I've added a micro support area already, I think yesterday or earlier today. And this is the level that needs to hold $9.48. So I would prefer one more high in wave C of B, because the C wave is a 5-wave move. So I would like to see one more high. That would at least be the most likely count at the moment, in my opinion. But to give us that one more high, I'd like to see the price hold $9.48. I mean, that's the impulsive count. Yeah, that's for an impulse, but it looks... It could also be a diagonal. I mean, again, when we're dealing with these micro charts, microstructures, sometimes the altcoins don't give us the clearest micro count. So it's technically also possible that this is a diagonal and we go down to the golden ratio level, or at least have to give it a little bit more space, and that level is at 9.36. So that means also consequently that a break below the $9.26 level, $9.36, would be an indication that we have already topped in circle wave B. Yeah, so that's sort of what I'm watching. Until that level breaks, however, I would prefer one more high. And then the question comes up, okay, what are the next upside target levels? So we've got obviously still the $10 level that needs to be broken. Then $10.26, $10.46, $10.56, and also the $11 mark. These are really the key levels to watch in an ABC structure. The C wave has reached my target area already, yeah, but could still stretch out higher. There isn't really a maximum, but if we talk about Fibonacci extensions, yeah, it would be very much extended if the price breaks above $10.56. So it might really just need one more high. Bear in mind, there's also structural resistance around the $10.40, $10.50 level, basically where the golden ratio level is located. And as soon as this B wave has topped, we can watch for a C wave to the downside, and we can then define also a target, because once we have a B wave top in place, I can give you a target for the C wave to the downside. Alternatively, a more directly bullish scenario is playing out. I mean, they are both bullish, right? They are both bullish. It's just that in the white count, we allow for one more C wave down before trend continuation higher. In the yellow count, we are going up more directly, but I have no evidence for it at this stage. I will keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.